Hi there, welcome to this presentation on the Java 9 module system. In this presentation, we're going to take a look at the requires keyword and how we can use that when we're creating modules. So if you recall from the previous presentation, I had a simple main.java class that simply printed out hello. And we went ahead and compiled this with the class path, and then we turned it into a module. So I'm going to extend this example just a little bit, and I'm going to create a timestamp object. And this is from the java.sql package. So I'm going to say timestamp is going to equal to new timestamp 1, and let's just print it out. So let's quickly go ahead and compile it with the class path, or pre-Java 9 style. Say java c-d classes, and just go ahead and compile my main.java. And let's go ahead and create a jar out of it. Let's call it app.jar, get the contents from the classes directory, and then let's run it with the class path. So com.demo.main. And sure enough, it works as you would expect. It simply prints out the timestamp. There you go. So let's change this into a module and see what changes. So let's go ahead here. I'm going to remove my classes directory, and I'm going to remove my app jar. There you go. So let's go ahead and compile it as we learned how to compile a module in the previous presentation. So java c-d mods -- module source path, that will be my source directory, and compile the module com.demo. So as you see here, we get an error. And why is that? Well, if we take a look at the error message, we say package java.sql is declared in module java.sql, but module com.demo does not read it. Well, this is a very nice error message because it tells us that our module does not depend on the java.sql module. So how do we go ahead and add this dependency? So I'm going to go ahead here and edit the file module-info, and I'm simply going to insert here a requires java.sql. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and save it. And what this requires really does is it says my module now depends on the java.sql module. So let's try recompile it. There you go, that worked. Let's create a jar out of it and say lib app.jar and get the contents from the mods com.demo directory. Oh, dot, there we go. And let's run it. And I'm going to say java -- module - path to be the lib directory, and run the module com.demo, and run the main class as com.demo.main. And there you go, it printed out our timestamp. So in this presentation, what we learned about was how to declare a dependency on another Java module. Thanks for watching. See you next time.